We are here, and I hope all of you are aware. I'm a member of the National Assembly representing Bondo constituency, and my colleague Karoli Omondi is representing Suba South constituency. I also want to believe that you are aware that we had taken a choice sometimes early last year, immediately after the elections, that we had opted, in as much as we were ODM, we had opted to work with the government of the day since that time. In between, in the last 1.5 years, there have been issues here and there. There have been issues with the party, particularly ODM. We've gone through all manner of circles in the name of the party, refusing or saying that we didn't have a mandate or we didn't have a legal position to engage with the government. We've gone through that and we didn't mind, and we don't mind up to date, and we are not even sorry that we've been working with the government since last year. Here we are today. We are extremely happy that the ODM party has finally agreed to work with the government formally and have agreed to be part of this cabinet. So we want to welcome them. We are happy that this is going to take place at this particular time, that the wider expanded government is going to be including quite a bit of areas that were excluded before. So this is exactly why we are here, that we want to express our happiness, we want to express our gratitude that finally the ODM is joining us. Some of us who went ahead to work with the government is joining us in working with the government, and we really want to welcome them.
We, the people of Suba South, are particularly happy that one of our own has been appointed as the Cabinet Secretary for National Treasury and Planning. We thank His Excellency the President for that honor, and we look forward to continued close cooperation with him and his government. At this particular point, I would like to encourage those from the ODM who have joined the government to work with dedication, to carry forward the dreams that we had of giving economic advantage to our people and changing the lives of our people. We hope that this opportunity afforded to them will lead to a more inclusive government, a more people-centric government, and a realization of some of our objectives that we expressed in our manifesto as a party. So we are very happy with the new developments. The people of Suba South are very happy. And the next phase, I think, is intense national debate on the economic issues of the day. And we hope we'll put our best foot forward as a party. And now that we have our people in government, we are very delighted, and we thank the President for that.